Our goal is to drill 3/8 inch diameter holes in various locations on this project. We can use a Forstner bit, or we could use a brad point bit. Both of these bits allow us to drill flat bottom holes. The thickness of our sides is 3/4 of an inch. When drilling these holes, we only want to drill halfway through our project. With the Forstner bit, we can drill to the collar. With a brad point bit, we will need to install a piece of tape to tell us when to stop drilling, or when we reach that halfway point through our project. Because there will be screws that go through the entire side of the project into the horizontal supports, we need to drill some pilot holes so that we don't split the wood out when we install the screws. If we position our workpiece over the vise, we can make sure that we do not drill into the table, because we are drilling all the way through our project. If we look down inside of our previously drilled holes, we can see that there is a small divot from where the spike on the drill bit, or our Forstner bit, left a small indentation. We want to line up our 1/8 inch drill bit with that little indentation and drill all the way through our project. And we're going to continue the same for all of the holes on our project.